U Shongknor ke ying dorbar thauan u Thomas E Sangma, bat u menteri rangba u Konrad Ki Sangma kilepin pau da keboong, namar badang syupentre kam themai da ki kor digital ha ying dorbar, ki jing penbet ye ki tiar kitar kimpat biang lut, endang mi bun ki jing duna. Ka ying dorbar kelawan ra da ki kor digital ban penduna ye ki jing pendon kam ye ki kot sada.
There would be some flaws, as I would say, because this is for the first time this assembly has taken the initiative to give the translation, the live translation of the governor's address, which was done in Hindi, and the simultaneous translation was done in the English language. Certainly there would be some flaws because this is for the first time that we are doing it, but it may not be as verbatim, according to the verbatim, I would know. But this was done along with the help of artificial intelligence program and also the human manually done manually. So we will still have a long way to go towards achieving 100% accuracy of this thing. But hopefully, I would like to also announce to you that we are working hard. In next 6 months, coming 6 months, within 6 months, definitely we will be having another assembly session where we will try our best to introduce the translations, live translations to.
No, it's a very simple step. It's nothing too complicated. It's just that we are trying to reduce the usage of paper as far as possible, and hence technology is being used. It's not a very complicated technology. It's a very simple thing that instead of reading from a piece of paper, which of course is not just for me, but will be printed for so many people, now people will be able to see it online and will be able to read it on the instrument that we have given out there for them to use. And so that's all it is. It's not a very complicated thing. But it cannot be done in full 100%. It is a transition. So therefore there'll be some part that will be done now, but it's a process that has started. Hopefully in the coming years, we'll be able to completely make it paperless.